Welcome to BotBat. In this video, we will learn how to create an AI-powered smart chatbot and how to integrate it into our workflows. From the main dashboard, we navigate to the side menu and select Chatbots. We click on Create Chatbot to begin. The first step is basic information. We type the bot's name and define its purpose in the description field. And to give the bot a human touch, we define the persona, for example, a welcoming and supportive tone. Let's not forget to set the primary communication language and click Next. The second and crucial step is knowledge sources. Here, we feed the AI with information, and we add our website link so the bot can learn from it. You can also add other sources like files and FAQs to feed the AI with more information and make it smarter. In the third step, we make sure the knowledge base tool is enabled and click Next. We review all the settings and click Create. Now the system begins training the bot on the data we provided. Once the status changes to active, the bot is ready to work. To utilize the bot, we go back to the Workflows menu. We open our workflow and drag the AI Agent node. From the settings, we choose the bot we just created from the drop-down menu. After that, we add the agent instructions to accurately describe how the AI must behave in this step. We save the changes, connect the node to the path, and finally click on Save and publish the workflow. Let's test the result practically on Messenger. When the customer sends any complex question, like what services does BotBat offer, the bot analyzes the question, extracts the accurate answer from the knowledge sources it was trained on, and replies to the customer professionally and instantly.